In this video, we are going to see how we can uninstall WPS Office from our laptop in Windows 11. So what we need to do is just go to the start menu here and right here settings, and we can go to apps, then click on install apps, and from here we will write WPS. Once we find that, next to this is this three dots. In the more options, we hit uninstall and click on uninstall to confirm it. Click yes if it asks for the user command prompt, and then it will open up this uninstall wizard. Click on uninstall directly. Click on uninstall now. I am no longer using it. Click OK, and then it should start the uninstallation process. Alternatively, what you can do is just go to the control panel. From the start menu, click on uninstall a program, and you can find that program here as well, and click on uninstall. Rest of the procedure is almost the same. You click on next, and whatever question it asks during the uninstallation process, you just reply to that. Now once that is uninstalled, you need to make sure that it is also removed from the desktop as well, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.